Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what is the HTML drag and drop API and how it is used. In HTML, any element can be made draggable. Drag and drop is a widely used feature that allows you to grab an object and move it to a different location. HTML drag and drop example. The following is a basic drag and drop example. Now we will see how it works. Here we are going to make this image element draggable so that it can be dropped into this div element. First, we will make the image element draggable by setting the draggable attribute to true. As you can see here, now we need to specify what should happen when the element is dragged. In this example, the onDragStart attribute calls a function drag that specifies what data to be dragged. Here you can see the drag function code. The data transfer set data method sets the data type and the value of the drag data. In this case, the data type is text, and the value is the ID of the draggable element, which is a drag. Now we need to specify where to drop the dragged element. The onDragOver event determines where the drag data can be dropped. In this example it calls the function dropFn. Here you can see the dropFn function code. By default, data elements cannot be dropped in other elements. To allow a drop, we must prevent the default behavior. This is done by calling the preventDefault method. As you can see here, now we need to drop the drag data. When the drag data is dropped, a drop event occurs. In this example, the onDrop attribute calls a function, drop. As you can see here you can see the drop function code. Here we are calling the preventDefault method to stop the browser's default handling of the data, which is to open as a link on drop. Then, use the data transfer getData method to retrieve the dragged data. This method returns any data set to the same type in the setData method. The dragged data is the ID of the dragged element, which is a drag, as we specified here. Then, append the dragged element to the drop target, which will place the image element inside the div element as a child element. Here's the preview of our example. This preview shows the div and image elements before drag and drop. And this preview shows these elements after drag and drop. This was a simple HTML drag and drop tutorial. You'll learn more about this in our next tutorials. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.